Hi guys, the last time we saw each other I did my RKT rice Krispy Treats to make a bus cake or any kind of decoration that needs lightweight, that you want to be edible, and that you want to mold and shape in different shapes. So I did that. I kind of like this recipe I tried with you the last time, and now I did the basic shape of my bus cake that I'm working on right now. So I just want to show you. Let me see. So I used one batch of Rice Crisps to come to this point. This is the front view of my cake, and this is the back view. Of course, I always do my templates for my bus cakes, and I have it here. This is the front view of my cake and side view that I need. And then it's just simple. Basically, you just put some Rice Crisps on, and then you check from time to time where you are with your templates, how much you have to put. If you put too much of this Rice Crisps, you can then easily trim them with a knife. Or if you don't put enough, you can then add some RKT later on, or even any other edible material. You can fill up all the gaps. And that is basically it. Now I'm gonna leave my camera on. I want to record how I make my bus cake, so you will probably see it in the near future. So for now, I'm just gonna say goodbye, and I'm gonna show you how I did this bust cake with RKT. I can't tell you all the secrets yet of how to make everything, because it's for a competition and I can't reveal what I'm doing, but I can show you the basic shape of this cake. So thank you guys for being with me. Stay healthy, and don't ever forget, anything is possible. Bye bye.